Welcome to the Project Command Center. This tutorial shows the complete working process, not just the finished screens. We will update the setup, add a real project, create a task and milestone, change the status, and then confirm how the timeline, workload, alerts, and dashboard respond. The workbook follows one simple rule: enter information only in setup, projects, tasks, and milestones. Timeline, team workload, alerts, dashboard, and analytics are review sheets. Start with setup, add the parent project, add detailed work, and review the results at the end. First, open setup. Replace the sample business name with your own. Here, Northfield Studio is changed to Brightline Creative Studio. Next, change the review window from 14 to 21 days. This controls which upcoming tasks appear in the due in review. Add new client and team member names here once, so the same names are available in project and task dropdowns. Now open projects and use the first blank row. Enter a unique project ID and a clear project name. Then add the client, manager, department, start date, due date, priority, current status, progress percentage, budget, and a short note. This parent project becomes the reference used by its related tasks and milestones. Open tasks and go to the first blank row. Enter the task ID and the parent project ID. The project name fills automatically from the project sheet. Add a specific task name, assignee, department, start date, due date, status, priority, progress, estimated hours, actual hours, and a useful note. Keep dates, owner names, and status values accurate because alerts and workload calculations depend on them. Milestones are separate checkpoints, not ordinary task rows. Add a milestone ID, connect it to the same project, describe the checkpoint, assign an owner, set the due date, choose the status, and enter completion progress. An at-risk milestone will be surfaced for review so an important client delivery is not missed. A project system only stays useful when status is updated. Here, an existing task is changed from in progress to completed. This is a real operational step. It removes that task from open work, changes completed totals, and can also remove an overdue warning if the task had already passed its due date. Use timeline after entering projects and tasks. Do not type into this review sheet. Scan project dates, overlapping work, and upcoming pressure points. The purpose is to see schedule risk early before a due date becomes an emergency. Team workload groups work by owner. Compare open, completed, and overdue work before assigning more tasks. If one person has too many urgent items, rebalance ownership or move deadlines while there is still time. Open alerts and review it in a fixed order. Start with overdue tasks, then check tasks due within the review window, and finally inspect at risk or due soon milestones. These tables are generated from the dates, priorities, owners, and statuses entered in the input sheets. The dashboard gives the final management view. Read the KPI cards first: active projects, open tasks, completed tasks, overdue tasks, and items due soon. Then review the monthly completed task chart, project status mix, task priority mix, and the action snapshot. Use these numbers to decide what needs attention today. Save this edited workbook as your working copy and keep one untouched backup. Excel users can work in the desktop workbook. Google Sheets users should open the Access PDF, choose File, make a copy, and edit only their own Drive copy. The detailed PDF guide can be used together with this tutorial. You now have the full workflow: configure setup, create a project, assign tasks and milestones, update status, and review timeline, workload, alerts, and dashboard. Repeat the same process for every new client or internal project.